Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix missing runtime libraries error on your Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of message you will receive: runtime error, Microsoft Visual C++ runtime library error. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is open control panel in your system. Here scroll down and look for the option programs and features. Click on it. Here scroll down and look for the various type of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file installed in your system. Select it and click on change from the top menu bar. Here choose repair and apply this process and follow on screen instruction to complete the repairing process. Apply this process for all other Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable software installed in your system. Repair them one by one. And after that, close the windows and restart your system and check whether your runtime library error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Here choose yes, a pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt windows execute first these 3 DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and thereafter execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any bad or corrupted system files and repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Beginning system file, there is a system repair pending which requires reboot to complete restart your system. So follow on screen instruction to execute the sfc scan now command in your Windows 11 and 10 system. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on start button and choose settings, and here from the left side go to Windows Update, and from the right side click on check for updates, and if any update available simply download and install it. If any pending action required, simply fulfill them. So update your operating system with latest Windows update. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of runtime library error appeared. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose device manager. Here go to display adapter section, expand it, right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for your drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process of your display adapter driver, and after that check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run, and here in run dialog box type the command rstrui and click on OK. System restore windows will now open. Restore system files and settings. System restore can help to fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So click on next. On the next page, restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Here various type of restore point available. Choose any one of them from which your computer was in good condition. You may show more option restore point. Click on it, and various type of restore point available. Choose latest changes to your computer such as Windows Update and click on next. Your computer will be restored back to the selected event and choose finish, and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process of your Windows system, and accordingly your error will be resolved. That's all.